Great Wall Motors ORA brand officially announced the name of its newest all-electric SUV, the ORA 5, on September 22. This vehicle, a significant milestone in the brand's expansion into the A-segment market, aims to offer consumers more attractive options with both its design and technological innovation. The ORA 5 introduces a new design language, natural aesthetics. Unlike the practicality-focused design of traditional A-class SUVs, the exterior design creates a visual experience that balances power and elegance. Smooth body lines give the vehicle an overall lighter appearance while maintaining a sense of tension and balance. For example, the front end, with its refined proportions and optimized details, conveys both the recognizability of a family-style design and a youthful energy. This design not only appeals to young consumers seeking individual expression, but also fully appeals to the aesthetic preferences of the international market, giving it broader global appeal. Built on Great Wall Motors' latest energy platform, the vehicle leads its class in range and power response. By optimizing battery efficiency and the vehicle's energy management system, the ORA 5 delivers a longer and more stable range, easily meeting users' needs for urban and off-road travel. Furthermore, chassis tuning and suspension system improvements strike an ideal balance between dynamic handling and comfort, offering users a driving experience that combines peace of mind and enjoyment, whether driving in complex road conditions or on the highway. These technological advancements give the ORA 5 an advantage not only on paper but also in real-world scenarios. Meanwhile, its smart features are another highlight. The model is claimed to be equipped with advanced technologies such as LiDAR, multi-sensor fusion, and high-precision mapping, and can support advanced driver assistance features. For example, automatic lane change during high-speed driving and smart stop-and-go functionality in heavy traffic conditions can significantly reduce driver fatigue. Furthermore, the vehicle's human-computer interaction system, via voice assistant and multi-screen connectivity, creates a seamless technological experience for users. This clever application not only enhances the ORA 5's practical value but also strengthens the vehicle's brand identity, allowing consumers to experience the convenience of a technology-focused lifestyle. Its appeal isn't limited to its design and technology. Quality assurance is also crucial. Great Wall Motors, a company with over 30 years of experience in vehicle manufacturing, has established a well-established supply chain control system and quality management processes. This industrial prowess ensures consistent and reliable quality in every vehicle while maintaining low production costs. This trust in quality is undoubtedly a key factor in consumer purchasing decisions, and it has clearly achieved a leading position in this area. Furthermore, its global presence further enhances its market adaptability. From the outset, the vehicle was designed with international needs in mind. For example, the design language blends Eastern and Western aesthetics, while the interior layout meets the diverse needs of European and American families. Its functional configuration also adheres closely to national regulations and standards. This global perspective has not only helped it gain recognition among domestic consumers, but also significantly aided its entry into international markets. Great Wall Motors has already sold over 2 million vehicles internationally and is poised to become a new vehicle for the brand's international expansion. From a brand development perspective, the launch marks not only a product innovation but also a new phase in the ORA brand's journey towards superior quality and smart technology. A significant milestone in this journey, the ORA 5 carries the brand's mission to explore evolving consumer needs. From its natural aesthetic design to its smart features and globalization strategy, it aims to demonstrate the brand's potential and future direction to consumers through comprehensive improvements. In short, it's much more than just a product launch. It's a definitive response to the challenges facing the A-segment market. Through comprehensive design and technological optimization, it aims to fill a gap in the market and offer consumers a wider variety of options. We look forward to learning more about this vehicle at the upcoming Taster event. Time will tell whether it will meet consumers' ever-changing expectations and inject new life into the A-segment pure electric SUV market.